Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences.
So our today's topic is how to set up Juplink EC3-750 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Juplink EC3-750 extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the Juplink EC3-750 is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender designed to boost your existing wireless signal and eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the product box. Inside the Juplink EC3-750 dual-band Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender unit, a quick start guide to help with setup, and a USB power cable, if included. Everything you need is there to get your extender powered and connected quickly. Now plug the Juplink EC3-750 into a wall socket near your router. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or PC. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi name, Juplink_EXT or Juplink_EC3-750. Name may vary, check the sticker on the extender. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://192.168.3.1. Press Enter. The Juplink login page will open. If the page doesn't load, make sure you are connected to the Juplink extender Wi-Fi and not your home router. Log into the extender. The username and password is admin. Use the credentials printed on the extender label if these don't work. From the setup menu, select Repeater Mode or Range Extender Mode. Click Next/Continue. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi name, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Click Apply/Save. Wait for reboot. The extender will restart automatically. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the signal LED becomes solid green/blue. Now unplug the extender. Plug it halfway between the router and weak Wi-Fi area. Ensure the signal LED shows good strength.
Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such as more updates.